Good morning, day 4. Steven's still sleeping. Let's go. Okay. So, this morning we had the meetings and stuff. And then now we are going back down to find Ratchi and the rest. We are off to one of the markets around, Chak Chu Chak. We're going to Chak Chu Chak. And you look tired, man. You look tired. Are you tired?
Yeah, I've got to bring my portable charger.
Alright. If you didn't know, we are staying at 130 Hotel and Residence in Bangkok. Really nice place. Rooms are nice, clean, fresh towels every day. Food is a little bit, it's alright then. Had the breakfast, did some in-room dining a little bit. Which I didn't catch that on camera though, but I would say the food is alright actually. Nothing that fantastic about it. Got your portable? Got it? Alright, cool. Hey. So right here now is the place where you can get birds and stuff. We really found something really interesting here, okay? The huskies here are huge. They're like super huge and stuff. It's like really big. Check it out.
Almost as fat as me.
So that's basically like Chak Chu Chak because today is Tuesday and usually this place is packed out on a weekend. So this is actually the map of the whole of Chak Chu Chak. We kind of only did like a portion of it. So actually when this whole place, every single store will be open and it'll be so packed. Okay, so now we are at Chinatown and we are eating the kway chap. Kway chap is something like kway teow, but it's really nice according to Pepsi. Pepsi says it's really nice, so yeah, let's eat. So that was dinner, man. The soup is more like a bak kut teh kind of thing. If you like kind of like peppery bak kut teh soup, that kind of thing, gotta head out here. My egg noodle house, right? My egg noodle house, yeah. My egg noodle house. I don't know whether I've said it correctly, but if you're in Chinatown, check them out. And that's it for tonight. The problem about going back from a holiday or whatever a trip is that we always need to pack. He bought too much grape juice. And now we are having the issue. I'm helping him carry like another 3 boxes on his end. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. One box. Alright, let me get a calculator. One box has 12 bottles of 330 ml. So 330 times 12. Alright? So that's the amount of weight a box should have in grams, of course. Right. Now, how many boxes you have? So, times 10, right? He's over the weight by This is his weight in kilos, 39.6. So you are over the weight by
9 kilo.
9 kilos. And I'm already helping you carry it.
Oh,
So we've got 4 boxes out. Like 4 boxes and everything out.
sorry, need to take 2 more boxes out.
Okay, an update after about an hour plus. We called Pepsi for help and he gave us 1 luggage because here's a funny thing. Steven said he questioned me the fact when we arrived in Bangkok, saying that why would people want to hand carry luggages and when they can just board the plane. He has learned his lesson. He came without any hand carry luggage. He had the plan to put it all inside this
Ding ding dong!
thing, and
Ding ding dong! It's
but
not thing!
that resulted in how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of grape juice which he wanted to put inside. So Steven,
Hi.
so yeah, my travel tip for you guys is if you guys are carrying a big luggage, just carry a hand carry luggage, because trust me, with that extra hand carry luggage you actually can put more things in your hand carry luggage and have your check-in luggage with more things. With that extra hand carry luggage you could save almost 10 kilos in your check-in, because I don't think they do check your hand carry luggage weight. Do they?
Oh, it's either that or you can don't buy 10 boxes of grape juice.
So, hope the tip was good for you. I guess the trip ends here. I mean, we have to head back to Singapore, but I think I end the vlog here. So, Thailand was good, meetings were good, grape juice. He bought like a hell lot of juice. Had a lot of fun. It was a tiring trip. Thanks to Agoda for hooking us up with this place, and Pepsi and Potae for bringing us around. Check them out, and we'll see you in Singapore. See ya!